Autogen Review. Is it worth it? So Autogen is Microsoft's open source framework that allows multiple AI agents, tools, and humans to collaborate on tasks. Instead of relying on a single large language model, Autogen creates conversations between agents that can reason together, call APIs, run code, or involve human oversight. It's designed for building more advanced and flexible AI applications. So its process, it has multi-agent collaboration. It lets you set up AI to AI, AI to human, have mixed agent conversations for solving complex problems. It also has extensible and flexible support for custom tools and other integrations. It is also developer friendly from the tools. It also has a scalable design and even offers human in the loop support. However, there are some cons to consider. It is still maturing and still new, but it is evolving quickly. It also has a steep learning curve, so it's not friendly for beginners. It also has some documentation gaps, like some features lack clear examples and are still under development, and it is not lightweight compared to other platforms. However, overall, Autogen is a powerful framework if you want to build collaborative, multi-agent AI systems with flexibility and human oversight. However, because it's still maturing, it may not be the most practical choice yet for production-ready products.